In this video, we will talk about how to fix HP laptop keyboard not working in Windows 11. Method 1. Restart your laptop. It sounds simple, but a restart often reloads keyboard drivers properly. Click on Start and restart your PC, then check if it works. Method 2. Reinstall the keyboard driver. Right-click on Start. Select Device Manager. Expand Keyboards. Right-click on Standard PS2 keyboard and select Uninstall Device. Click on Uninstall, then Yes to restart your computer. Windows will automatically reinstall the driver during startup. Method 3. Hard reset. First, shut down your laptop. Then disconnect the power adapter and all connected peripherals. Press and hold the power button for 30 seconds. Reconnect all cables and peripherals, then power on the laptop. Hopefully, this will fix your issue. See you in the next video.